Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check the DPI of your mouse. Understanding your mouse DPI can be important for optimizing your gaming or work experience. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the manufacturer's specifications. The first method for checking your mouse DPI is to look at the manufacturer's specifications. Most mouse manufacturers specify the DPI of your mouse on their website or in the product documentation. Simply search for your mouse model online and check the product specifications or manual. If you have the manual or product specifications, you can check there to find the DPI. Method 2. Use software. The second method is to use software. Some mouse software such as Logitech Options or Razer Synapses can be used to view the DPI setting of your mouse. These programs can also be used to adjust the DPI so you can change it if you need to. To use this method, simply download the software for your mouse and install it on your computer. Once it's installed, you should be able to access the mouse settings and see the current DPI. Method 3. Use Windows settings. The third method is to use Windows settings. On Windows 11, you can use Bluetooth and Devices panel to view the DPI setting of your mouse. The quickest way to do this is to click the Start menu and then click Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down to Mouse and click it. Mouse pointer speed can then be adjusted with the slider. And that's it. These are the 3 easy methods for checking the DPI of your mouse. Knowing your mouse's DPI can be helpful for optimizing your gaming or work experience. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.